Alright guys, so here's how to apply text effects in Microsoft Word. It's quite simple guys, so let's get started. First of all, you need to select the text that you want to apply the text effect. So select that text, and then from the upper side inside the home tab, you will probably see this option which is for the text effect. Alright, then you need to tap on this little arrow icon beside the text effect to find out this text effect like this. Alright, so let me just first make sure that it is on the left side so that you can see the text effect clearly. So for that, let me just make it somewhat bigger. All right, so now if you select the text and go to here, and now as you can see, it is being changing in real time. All right, so from here you can select one of these, which is the basic text effect. After selecting that, again you can go to the text effect and you can add some of like outlines, shadow, reflection, glow, and number styles, and many more things you can add. So you can simply go through all of these and find out the perfect match for your text. So if you just tap on this, the outline, as you can see, we can add outline from here. All right, also for the shadow, you can add shadows like this, and there are different types of shadows right over here. You can play with all of these and find out the best text effect that you want to put in. So that's how you can apply text effect in Microsoft Word. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you next time.